The core of the human body is the brain, a complex device made from flesh. It contains no microchip, no metallic component, or anything that makes its characteristics similar to those of what humans create. 7.4 billion people have this complex device inside their skulls, yet only a few know how to use it wisely. This supercomputer, which is also known as the cerebrum, is encased in a cage known as the cranium. Inside this brain are networks of neurons, or brain cells, linked like spider webs, which activate when we take in and process impressions. The biggest supercomputer is known as Titan, and it contains a memory of 693.5 terabytes. And the brain can store up to 2.5 petabytes, or 2,500 terabytes. But how can such a powerful device be difficult to control? Why is it that some people pass examinations and some fail them? Well, there is no problem that this world cannot solve. Humans have discovered that even science fiction can be turned into reality, just like robots going to Mars and designing prototypes which are far more complex for the past generation to understand. The fastest thing that is in this world is light. It travels faster than anything. When we open our eyes, we don't need them to calibrate for a few seconds, because all they need is light. When lightning strikes, before you can hear the thunder, you see lightning. We learn best when we see something. But to increase studying and remembering efficiency, you have to combine hearing, sight, and the power of remembrance to make everything easy to do. This process is simple and takes at least a few weeks to perfect your photographic memory. Number 1. Start writing sentences and passages of writing with your left hand. This will activate the right side of the brain. Number 2. Start counting backwards from 100, and time after time decrease the counting by 1, and then 2, 3, etc. Number 3, start doing more math problems. This will not only perfect your skill of math, but also activate your brain cells. Number 4, instead of memorizing something, try to understand it. By mastering the 3 senses, perform these tasks with a partner or yourself. Take a photo, give some time, and try to remember each and every aspect of it. Then put the photo away and either write down or tell a partner to ask you what the details of the image were. Then clarify the description later. While doing something in which there is no interest gained, try to listen to something you want to memorize, such as the Quran. Listen to it and repeat it in your heart. This will not waste your energy, unlike memorization. Number 5. Perform these every single week till you can explain even the smallest of detail in number 4. Number 6. Never forget exercise. Not only physical, but also mental. A study was done that most old people get Alzheimer's attacks because they weren't active in their lifetime, and blood circulation did not reach the brain. Photographic memory is so useful that it can get you a PhD in 1 year. It is so useful, it can make you successful in everything. As Imam Ali says, a fool's mind is at the mercy of his tongue, and a wise man's tongue is under the control of his mind.